Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another AgencyZoom how-to video here. This one, we are going to be looking at service request management. So to get into there, just hover over my agency right here on service request configuration. I'm going to scroll down to these service request types, priorities, and resolution types here. So these categories and resolution types especially are very important. I recommend having as nitty gritty as you can possibly get as far as detailed, because you can trigger certain automations based off of specific categories or resolution types. So things like you'll see here, cancellation, and then what types of cancellations are in here. Claims, again, different types of claims. General, I've got all the renewal stuff in here as well, and we could even have more renewal like rewrites, things like that. Also have that on the resolution type. And then again, just general, adding, subtracting vehicles, properties, locations, whatever. So go through and be as detailed as possible on adding your service request categories. Again, adding it is very simple. It's just clicking on that, give it the name and describe it. Very, very easy there. Priorities, most people are going to be able to get away with low, medium, high, urgent. We've also got urgent due to an agency mistake. Again, that's going to trigger some different types of automations. And the resolution types, same thing here, right? Canceled, completed, but then even more so than just the generic ones that you've got in here. We've got renewal accepted, renewal declined, renewal rewrite. So again, as specific as you can possibly be is going to be best for you, so that you can get your reporting as accurate as possible. And as I've mentioned several times now, triggering specific automations based off of those as well. Hope that helped.